In this tutorial, you learn how the new adjusted sharing dialog enhances communication directly from the diagnostic canvas. This update introduces a unified sharing experience, making it easier to share images with patients and specialists without leaving the canvas. Sharing from the canvas now mirrors the sharing workflow from the media library. This means you see the same interface, the same options, and the same sharing logic, whether you're sharing from Canvas or from Patient Media Library. The extension also introduces specialist sharing directly from the canvas, in addition to the existing patient sharing option. To share media displayed on the canvas, click the Share button within the canvas. Choose whether to share with the patient or a specialist. Configure optional settings such as expiry date or an additional message. Confirm to complete the share. With one consistent sharing dialog across Canvas and the media library, the experience becomes more intuitive and unified, making clinical communication and collaboration smooth and efficient. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.